Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our weekly. This is our weekly analysis, guys. Please, guys, if you're not subscribed, smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Check the description there. You will find the group for some Telegram group where you can get some free stuff, some free tools in there. And if you want to join the team, it's only $20. If you want the signal system, which is going to provide you with the signals, $20. My mentorship, $20. And guys, the one and only robot which can trade for you, it's auto trading, it's only $100. But if you already bought the first one, you can get it on half price. It's going to be like only $50, guys. I hope you're having a very great Sunday. I'm just tired. I'm hoping next week the market will try to recover because now I'm on a S&P 500. I just want to show you. Just look at this sell-off here. The sell-off is crazy. The sell-off is quite crazy because look at this. This time, it was the time of coronavirus. Look what happens here. You can see that the only sell that we have since 2020, the only sell that we have that was strong, it's the only one here, which it was very strong around coronavirus. So now we can see that all over we saw some, we did have some sell-offs along the way, but look at this. This is massive, guys. This is massive. This is too much. So it means we can just call this is just a small crash or whatever. But what I can say is let's wait for Fed interest rates. I think on Wednesday or Thursday around there. So from there, after they decide whether they're going to raise the rates or if they're going to just keep them like that, it's where we're going to see what is going to happen. But what I know is the market is going to go crazy. The market is going to go crazy, very, very crazy. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we don't have to we just have to do our nice analysis, no trading that much, because you know what, with that sell we lost something. But what I like is when these things recover, just look at this thing. When these things recover, it means almost the whole year we were making some very, very simple cash, because I only buy this thing. Why? Because you can see the trend is just going up. We lose only when the market is doing something like that, because maybe somewhere we have the support area, the market give us some fake signals. When we take them, it changes the direction, something like that. So I hope you can see what's really happening. The market is selling off. So it's the best thing is just to stay out and relax, if maybe, or you can just trade something else. But I can just advise you to focus on one thing. If you're trading only S&P 500, focus on that. If the market is going down like this, it's also fine. You can just wait, learn something from that. And when the market is coming back on your favor, you know what to do. Simple. Don't complicate this thing, because already Forex is complicated. If you keep complicating things, you're going to have some very serious problem. So, yeah, now let's start with US oil. On US oil, I'm on a weekly time frame here, so I just want to show you what's going on here. So you can easily see that, oh, we are on a very nice bullish momentum. Do you see that? We are on a very nice bullish momentum. But when the market is giving us some nice new higher highs, so it's a new price actually, because this is a new high, which means after that we expect the market to come back again. But when we look, we actually have something like this. When we draw the line, you can see that it creates a very, very nice uptrend, easy as that. So now we're waiting for the market to give us something. Then after we know that the market is going to come back, I don't know where the market is going to come back, but I know after we have this nice bullish run, we're going to have some sell-offs. But at the moment, the market is still bullish. So let's go on a bit smaller time frame. On a bit smaller time frame, let's start with 4 hours. I hope you are subscribing, guys. I hope you are subscribing. So on a 4-hour time frame, we can easily see that we are on a very, very, very nice uptrend, and we can see this sell-off here. It was because the market created something like a resistance. Please, guys, respect these areas, because mostly it's where the market is going to respect. Then after that, the market might start to push to the lower side, right? So at the moment, you can see that we were on a very nice bullish. If you draw something like that, let me draw something like that for you, so that if the market is no longer respecting that, we can say the market is breaking out of that. Then we can say now maybe it's time to sell or time to buy. So let's see. You can see we had a resistant area around this area. So I'm just going to draw something like that. And you know what? If the market is going to come back again here, if the market is going to come back again here, I'm going to say now the market is respecting the area, and then maybe the market is about to go lower. But if not, maybe this is just a fake move. Maybe the market is going to go or keep pushing up. But we don't have to forget that around this area again, the market gave us something like what? Like a resistance. So it means now we have two options: whether the market is going to push up. If it's pushing up, we expect the market to break this area or to respect that area. Maybe the market is going to move like that before we see a very, very nice move, because now the market maybe might try to change the direction. Why? Because we were on a very, very strong bullish momentum around there. You can see here we can just put it somewhere there. So you can see that actually the market, we see a breakout, a retest, then the market pushed lower again. So for us to say we sell, as I already told you, let's wait for the market to come back here and give us that sign that the market is going to keep going lower, or maybe the market is going to push on the upside. From there, we will see what we can do tomorrow. Then it's where we can take some whatever like the decision that we might think maybe the market is going to go on. So don't forget to come daily on my channel and to check or to watch this daily analysis, because I think they might help you, as you can just very quick update about these things, right? So let's go to the next one, which is gold. So gold, I saw something on a weekly analysis. So let's see. Sorry. On a weekly analysis, I saw something. I don't know how do we put this thing weekly thing. Let me do this on a daily. Maybe we will see that on a daily. Yeah, I think you can able to see this on a daily time frame. So on a daily time frame, actually, we can see that we have something. I think this thing might be in this side, maybe. I don't know. So that you can see the bigger picture. So I see that the market is actually creating this resistance here. Do you see that? And it's connecting very nicely. And every time the market reaches that area, the market moved to the lower side. So let's make things clear for ourselves. It means we can just try to go closer and see what's really happening. So it means, let me remove this, because I did not check that weeks ago. I only checked that on a 4-hour time frame, and I wasn't able to see that. So at the moment I can see that. It means I can just place my things like this. We can make this one a little bit bigger, so that you can see. So it means at the moment, if the market reaches this area, as you can already see, the market already reached there, even if it did not touch that, but it seems like we're going to see a very nice sell-off. We're going to see a very strong sell-off. But the market created a wedge where the market is going to create something like this, until we see a breakout, whether to the bottom on the, maybe to break the support, or maybe it will break our resistance. It's where we can take the decision. But remember, this is a daily time frame. It means we still have a time to do it, to sell around this area. We can buy again until we see that the market is breaking, it's no longer respecting this area. It's where we're going to change the direction, easy as that. And we're looking for this to happen the coming week, or maybe after next week, because this is a daily time frame. It means make sure that you make things simple for yourself. Just know that, oh, now the market is on a wedge and this is on a bigger time frame, which makes this very easy, because now we understand that the market might push lower. From this side, the market might push up. Unless we have this breakout, now we can say a different story. But at the moment, we don't see that. It means we can just move to the next one. We now know that, okay, we are on that resistance, which makes the market to push the lowest side, right? So it means you guys, we're just going to go there, look for a very nice sell position. So the best thing that you can do, come back tomorrow early in the morning, watch the video on maybe the market will be around this area, how we're going to take those entries, easy as that. So let's move to GERMAN40. On GERMAN40, guys, to be honest also, I don't think the market, whatever the market is trying to do here, when it's trying to recover, it's just fooling us. If you still remember, I think the market is going to reach this support area, and it might reach this area maybe on that Tuesday or Wednesday, before we see the market pushing to the upper side. At the moment, the market is just selling off, whether it's US30, whether it's Nasdaq, everything's just selling off, guys. Everything's just selling off. Even if you check, maybe if you can check the news, because the news, they will just confuse you. They will just say, oh, the Nasdaq is just dropping because Netflix, the figures that Netflix released, they were very bad. It's not only that, guys, because the market has been moving lower before those results, before those Netflix results. So it means there is there is a very strong bearish momentum in the market, and that is because of interest rates or plus inflation. So everyone is waiting for that, not Netflix or whatever. So it means whatever that is happening at the moment is not really that important. So let's wait for Wednesday and see what's really happening, because we can even see that even GERMAN40 is also affected by that. Because these things, they correlate, guys. When the other one is going up, they positively correlating, and when the other one is going up, even on the other side, the other ones, they move up. But remember, not every day, but I hope you understand that they do correlate, right? So what we see here is, I'm just waiting for the market to reach this area before maybe I can say, maybe now we can do it, maybe we can buy. But I hope maybe the market will reach this area, those times when the market is, when they're going to release those Fed interest rates, we might see a very nice bullish momentum pushing up. I just hope that they don't increase the rates, because that might make things worse for our market. You see, that is going to be scary, but we're going to wait for that. And I heard that they're going to increase those interest rates like 4 times this year. So I just hope not this time. Maybe they will think twice and stuff like that. But we will see. We will see what we can do. So on GERMAN40, I'm just hoping for the market to reach this area around 15,000 before we can say we're going to push up. Yes, anything can happen. Maybe whatever, if maybe the market tries to change the direction, it's also fine. As long as the market is going to give us that structure, we're still going to try to connect that structure and work with that, you see. Because we don't just do things the way we want, we wait for the structure to happen before we throw our things. I hope you understand that. So let's move to the next one, which is US30. Whoa, US30 later, before the market closes, you can see the market just sold off. Just look what's happening here. So I think, I don't know if maybe the market, because the market now reached this support. You can look, see this. Look, the market since last year, July, or let's say June, the market just created this area. September, October, December, oh, now it's January, you see. So you can see that the market is respecting those areas. But with that sell-off, we might, when the market opens early in the morning, we might find the market around these areas. The market might break this support area here. And if that is broken, it means for now we don't have a very strong support, because that is our support area there. So it means we need to find some areas where maybe we can just try to connect our things, because this sell-off now is getting out of hand. You can see that even if the sell-off is strong, but the one that we had last year, when Corona was the effect of Corona, you can see how crazy it was here. But this one is still like minimal. It's understandable. Maybe I think next week we might see the market respecting this area and trying to push to the upside. All I know is the market won't just push to the upside. The market might just try to play around before we see that push. I hope you understand that. So yeah, it's possible that the market might break this area and go to the lower side, but already the market is sold off very, very strong. So don't just jump on the market and try to sell, because the market might recover very quickly. I don't know, maybe Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it doesn't matter. But remember, also Fed interest rates affect US30. Everything actually in the market is going to be affected by that. You see, so actually tomorrow it's a very important day to do our analysis and see what's really changing or what's not changing in the market, because we're just waiting for that. But I like the thing that this thing reached our support area, and hoping maybe it will respect it and maybe we can push to the upside. Simple as that. So let's move to the next one, which is Nasdaq 100. So Nasdaq 100, you can also see here, this thing also sold like crazy. You can see that. So we can see that actually at the moment we don't really have an area where we can just call a support. You see, we don't have that. Even if we look to our left, we can see some areas where we can think maybe they might make sense, like these areas here, but still they don't really, because the market is breaking that. So it means the market is not really respecting that. So we need to be careful when we do our things. So let me clear this. I was just trying to see what we can get. So you can see this area, the market already, I think the market is already breaking out of that, but we can still mark this area. Then early, you can see that early tomorrow we'll see where the market is. But the bigger picture is we are on that bearish momentum. Why? Because the market was here actually. The market was actually here. Then you can see where there is a breakout. This is a breakout, which means the market is now selling off, because the market respected this area, then came back and break this area, which means the market is on a very, very strong bearish momentum. Then we should be careful. Because we don't really know where the market is going to stop until those, as I repeat, Fed interest rates, which are going to happen this week. Make sure you check that. Try to learn something about that. Actually, it's called fundamental trading, because it's actually economic news. It's trading like the news actually. So on Nasdaq, maybe if the market tries to create something here, we can say maybe the market is respecting that area. Then we can say maybe it's time to go to the upside. But I don't see that at the moment. So it means we just need to relax. Then so that we don't lose much, you see. Let's just try to relax, but just know that we have a very nice opportunity for buy. Why? Because at least the market rejected for some time now, and the market reached an area where it was like the last time the market reached there, it was last year October. You can see this area last year October. So it means it's few months. So we will see what's really happening. After that, we can then try to get the market to the upside if the market is going to respect this area. If it doesn't respect, we will see if this is going to just keep crashing, or maybe we can keep, because now the trend is changing, we can start to sell if maybe that is going to be in our favor. But we will see what we can do. As you know, I don't really sell Nasdaq, but we will see. For those who sell, they can keep doing that, because now it's a good time to do so. Simple as that. Don't complicate things, guys. Don't forget that if you want to be in the group, it's only $20. VIP signals $20. Via system indicator, signal indicator is also $20. Robot is $100. As you know, it's auto trading. It's going to trade for you. Simple as that. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Like, share with your friends, guys. Like, share with your friends. Thanks to everyone who already subscribed. I hope you're going to have a very, very great trading year. Bye.